Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your image and creating an elliptical mask around the subject. This defines the circle. Once done, position and scale the selection so the most important detail sits within the frame, then apply the mask layer. You want a clean edge, so use a small feather for natural blending. Make sure to toggle the mask overlay to check boundaries. Finally, convert the masked area to a new layer or smart object, so edits remain non-destructive as you continue. Next, refine the circular crop by transforming the layer and aligning the subject precisely. Use keyboard nudges for pixel-level placement. If the circle cuts through background details, patch with content-aware fill or clone stamp to preserve context. Then stack adjustment layers, exposure, color balance, vibrance, to tune mood and skin tones without altering the mask. Once satisfied, clip adjustments to the circle so corrections affect only the round area, and periodically zoom out to verify the overall visual balance. To finish, prepare the circle for use. If you need transparency, export as PNG. For web thumbnails, use optimized JPG. Then add a subtle inner stroke or drop shadow to separate the circle from busy backgrounds, and save a version with layers for future edits. If you encounter jagged edges, undo and increase feather slightly or enable anti-aliasing on the mask. This fixes harsh pixels. Finally, double-check dimensions and resolution for the intended platform, then export your final assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.